Load the glove, have some fun with your massive car. Load the glove, click clack. Sit back while you escalate that shit. Click click, gonna put the stash in the disco stick. Get your dick licked, have a good time with the pussy. I said on my one. Go back to my house, take a nap. Just a little bit on the fucking sack. Need to sleep in up for 3 days. I don't know, ma. ABCs, man. Don't get me wrong. I'm having a good time. Just need that money pussy bank all the time. Don't get me wrong. I'm having fun. Click clack. Just another lollipop stash. Coke and the crack and the codeine. Do you see my heroin up in the folies? Gotta know that bad shit. Acid, shrooms, that's chill with me. As long as you got perfume, oh, don't do stupid shit. Make sure it's real stupid shit. Click clack, motherfucker bang, click clack, motherfucker bang, click clack, motherfucker bang. Do you see the way that I walk down the street with my hands on my feet, hands on my feet? Gotta have my hands on my feet. To myself from everyday struggle. Gonna have my hands on my feet, looking out with my eyes. Enemies on the skies, birds sitting there with my eyes on the prize. Do you see them looking at me? It's like a camera's on the sky. Don't you see me? Helicopters in the sky gonna hurt me. Gotta make sure I shoot them down with my AK. Don't get me wrong, I don't have one of those motherfucking dogs. Do you see my little rock gun? I have one in my fucking gun closet. Don't worry, shooting down the cops. No fucking problem with my hand on my Glock. Oh, click Glock, gonna have the motherfucking gonna shoot the hoe till the bitch go. Oh. Do you see the way that I walk down the street with my hands on my feet? Timbo, slow down in this house. DJ Screw Tribute. Fucking love that Nicola Club. I understand I can't say Nicola. Cause I'm white, motherfucker, run. Gonna shoot you in the house if you coming on. Shoot you in the house if you coming, cracker. I'll be like, what? You'll be like, oh. And I'll be like, oh, it's chill, bro. Don't worry about nothing with me. I'm fine with that shit. I know I'm white with my white crocodile hat on my head. Gonna make sure that the shit stays red.